Hello and welcome to Affinity. This is a video for the geeks out there, and there's going to be a few others. And this is about exploring a real corner and where it all comes from, which is with the filters blur and custom blur. And I'm going to zoom in close here. And the reason for this is we're going to have a look at a couple of operators here. Now, those matrices we can stick in here, which is going to affect horizontals and verticals differently. So let's start off with the Prewitt operator, which is the easiest one of all. And this is a row of ones and a row of minus ones. Like this. This is rolling the mouse wheel to change these. So roll it down to go back to 0, then -1, -1, and -1. Oops. And it's disappeared there. When it disappears, related to this is because it all adds up to 0. But if I turn the offset to 1, now we get the effect. And see what we've got here is, you can see the horizontal lines appearing on the roof there. But down here where there are vertical lines on the window, and here you can't see them, so it picks out just the horizontals. So what if we turned it round a bit, so we got these back to 0 and this one's to 1s and these to -1s, and perhaps as expected, verticals now come out, so you can see the vertical blinds there, bits of verticals here, and the horizontals there have now disappeared. So that's the Prewitt gradient edge detector, used in image processing, particularly with algorithms for edge detection. Technically speaking, it's a discrete differential operator. There you go. And it computes an approximation of the gradient of the image intensity function. And if you want to find out more about it, go to Wikipedia, look up the Prewitt operator, and you'll find out more there, and or search the web. Right, let's do the Sobel one, which is more well known apparently, and the difference is very, very simple. All I do here is I change the middle one here from a 1 to a 2. So there's a 2. See, -2. There we go. So we got the same effect here. We got a bit more being selected. In fact, the lines are a bit stronger. Let's look at that again. So this is there. Notice how thick those lines are. Then I go down to 1 and up to -1 there. See, not quite as strong on the Prewitt, Sobel, just that little tweak, and you got stronger lines. And you can do it the other way as well, just to prove that you can. And it's 1, 2, isn't it? 1, -1 there, -2 there. There you go. So you can see their horizontal lines. They're a bit thicker, so we go from the Prewitt, which is quite good horizontal lines, but there we go. The Sobel one is a little bit stronger. So there's already a good way of identifying these. Why might you want it thicker? Well, what if you want to use a mask? You want to say apply sharpening to it, but not elsewhere. You can use the mask then to control that. What if we make this more now? This is just we can start exploring. What if I turn that up to a 3 and that to a 3? Is that any stronger? 2, maybe just a bit. What about 4? A little bit stronger. Or what about 10? Not much. What tends to happen with these, this is typical of the custom blur, is you get so far and it doesn't intensify beyond that point. So okay, let's leave it there. So you got the Prewitt edge detector and the Prewitt operator and the Sobel operator. You can look up both of them on Wikipedia. Just cancel out this, and also let's just show that you can also do detect horizontal edges here, and there's something similar there, Control I, look, that's fairly similar. There's a slight difference here, so you've got lines here, and similarly you can do the vertical one. See, it hasn't got the verticals there, it has got the horizontals, but not the same. And in fact, if you don't want that little line down the middle, you could use the Sobel or Prewitt for doing that. Anyway, there we go, and thank you very much for watching.